Okay, guys, I'm ready to show you these new engineering books. These are so exciting. I was really excited when I saw these in the catalog on the website, and I'm just as excited after seeing these in person. There are 6 of these books in a set. You can buy them individually, or you can buy them as a set. They're $5 a piece, or 25 if you buy them in the set. So, I mean, like super cheap. But let's see if I can do this where you can see it and I can see it too. Like this one, buildings and structures. You've got different kinds of information, engineering, buildings and structures, forces at play, and then you're the engineer, and then you get to do the activities. So this one is take the paper building challenge, building materials and arch domes, and then you get to make a geodesic dome, skyscrapers and bridges, then you get to build a bridge model, tunnels and moving and shaking, then you get to test in gelatin. I mean, look at these, just really fun, but not overwhelming information, and then hands-on activities to test out the knowledge and get it really learned. Computers and robotics. Rise of the machines. Hardware and software. Now you're the engineer and you get to play with binary beads. Circuit boards, big data, playing amazing algorithms. You get to play with the algorithm. Robots, build a brush bot. Where humans can't go, you're the engineer. You get to be a robotic arm. Artificial intelligence. What does the future hold? So again, just lots of information, and then you get to do the hands-on materials. These, of course, in my mind, are ideal for homeschool unit studies, but they're also good for any type of STEM work. So maybe you've got kids who are bored on a Saturday, or, you know, if you ever hear the complaint, "Mom, I'm bored and you won't let me on screens, and what is there to do?" These are pretty interesting. Or they could be the bridge over the summer slide, so that they're not forgetting information over over summer. So working with energy. Any energy engineering, electricity, then you're the engineer. Test electrical circuits, fossil fuels, hydropower, build a water wheel. Geothermal energy, wind power, solar power, make a solar oven. Biomass, saving energy, you're the engineer. Testing insulating materials. I'm really excited. I see a whole engineering study coming up. These would pair really, really well. We've got a lift the flap engineering book, and we've got 2 other activity books on engineering, Engineer Academy and the Engineer Scribble book. So could make a really, really good homeschool unit study. Working with machines. Let's look at what's in that one. Mechanical engineering, workforce, movement, levers. Then you get to do a lever experiment. Pulleys. You're the engineer, build a pulley system, wheels and axles. Working with wheels, inclined planes and wedges, screws, Archimedes screw, complex machines, powerful machines. Does this look good to anybody else? I mean, like, I could have fun with this as an adult. If you have kids who like math and science, engineering is kind of just a really good fit, because it combines math and science. So yeah. this would also be good if you've got kids who don't like math and science. This may be the way in that's not intimidating. So working with materials. What are materials? Properties of materials, testing materials, friction, racetrack friction, metal, plastic, create a new plastic, glass and ceramics, you're the engineer, changing clay, wood and textiles, materials of the future, you're the engineer, engineering structures. So looking at materials, and this one made me think of particularly the friction, and looking at the you're the engineer activity. This one makes me think of all the kids who are doing Pinewood Derby, and how knowledge of friction would be really good in helping them build a car that would travel the racetrack better. We were never good at that. We helped others win because we didn't understand friction. So maybe that would be a good one for us. And then one last one here. This is on working with transport. So you're looking at all sorts of transportation. So get a move on. Automotive engineering, you're the engineer, build a balloon car. Railway engineering, you're the engineer, make your own maglev. I've never heard the term. I don't know how to say it. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's time that I learn something too. Marine engineering, you're the engineer, design an unsinkable ship. Aeronautical engineering, blades, not wings. Set a helicopter spinning. Rocket science, you're the engineer, launch a rocket. The future of transport. So typically it looks like there's two-page spreads, and then a two-page spread of activities. I could get this to where you can see just a little bit better. Information, you're the engineer. More information, you're the engineer. So lots of fun activities. Again, why I'm so excited about this one. And this one came in stock last week. So it should be, I think, a lot of fun. So hopefully you will enjoy that too.